Today we're going to be doing a DIY hand sanitizer. First we're going to get alcohol, make sure that it is 70%. Then I'm going to take some aloe vera gel, a travel size bottle, and essential oils if you want. Then I'm going to take 1/3 cup of the aloe. Go ahead and put that into your mixing bowl. Then I'm going to take 2/3 cup of the alcohol. Whisk that around. You can always add more if you want the consistency to be better. I like that consistency, so I'm gonna pour it into my measuring cup. I don't have a funnel. And then pour that into the travel size bottles. And then add 15 drops of the essential oil. Put the cap on and give it a good shake. It is so soft and smells so good.